Ndashaka kukia imisheri.
Istamaki?
Istamaki. Natata.
Hello everyone and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Florence with
Diesel.
And
Daddy.
Why do you laugh like that?
What did you just say?
I'm the father.
Oh, I don't mean daddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's an inside joke.
Oh my goodness, I cannot be serious. Anyway, guys, welcome back into my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. So today we're here with Diesel. And first things before we even start, I want some stuff out of you. When you told me you did a Rwanda project to your class, I was impressed.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Good job.
Tell them what you're talking about now.
So today,
Tell them what you're talking about.
what I'm talking about.
The
The project in Kinyarwanda?
Yeah.
Umukoro, right?
That's why you decided to make this video.
Umukoro. Say umukoro.
Umukolo?
Wait, project. Oh, okay, I don't even know what is a project in Kinyarwanda. Umukoro is a homework. What is Guys, tell me in the comment what is a project in Kinyarwanda? Because in this video, I'm gonna teach him Kinyarwanda. So we're gonna plan a trip to go to Rwanda, and as something he asked, how he can communicate with people in Kinyarwanda. And I was like, I'm gonna teach you Kinyarwanda and try to get a project about Rwanda. So we're gonna teach him Kinyarwanda in this video. I'm gonna teach him and him, but mostly him.
Yep.
So do you know anything in Kinyarwanda?
No, not really.
Okay, what is the first things that you want to know?
Well, how to say hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Amakuru.
Hello? That's
Yeah.
what you want to know?
Hello.
Amakuru.
Amakulu.
Amakuru.
How do you say titties?
Baby, he cannot.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying
I cannot
that.
even say that.
I'm not
in
saying
here.
that.
Me too, especially in Kinyarwanda. Oh God, you want me dead? Imagine if my dad is so that here saying that. Okay.
Gotta make it fun.
Okay, say Amakuru.
Amakulu. Amakulu.
Nimeza.
Nimeza. Amakulu Nimeza.
You better
Yes.
be.
Yes, say Amakuru. Come on, babe. Amakuru.
Emerald.
Baby, just be serious. Say Amakuru. I want to see what's gonna say, but no, I'm gonna say something else. Okay, since we're gonna go to Rwanda, and the most things you know is Amafaranga. Amafaranga.
Amafaranga.
Good. Okay, so it means money.
Money.
Yes.
That's money?
Yes.
Amafaranga.
Money.
Okay.
Amafaranga.
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 You want me to say it?
Yes.
I can't say it.
Say it. Try.
It sounds like I'm a fatty Madugu.
Okay, but say Amafaranga. I want to see who's gonna say better, you and Diesel. Amafaranga.
I'm a fatty Madugu.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, say Ngaramute.
Maramute.
Yes, Ngaramute.
Maramute.
Ngaramute.
Maramute.
Yes,
Okay.
it means morning. Good morning.
Maramute.
Why are the words so long?
Good morning. Ngaramute.
Maramute.
Okay. Ndashaka kurya.
What?
I want to eat.
Say it again.
I want to eat.
Well, no, say it in
Ndashaka kurya.
Ndashaka kurya.
Ndashaka kurya.
Ndashaka kurya.
He's doing well.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
He's more than you. He's
I'm
better
too
than you.
old. My brain
Yeah.
locked in.
He's way better than you. Ndashaka kurya.
Ndashaka kurya.
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 Yeah. Kurya.
Kurya.
Good job. Kurya
Kurya.
means eat.
Kurya.
Eat.
Are we gonna kurya some food?
Yes. Urashaka kurya iki?
Unashaka kukiki.
Urashaka kurya iki?
Unashaka kuki.
What do you want to eat?
Fish, rice, and spinach.
Fish, rice, and spinach. Ndashaka kurya.
Fish, rice, and spinach.
Okay. Ndashaka kurya. I want to eat. Means I want to eat. Ndashaka kurya.
Ndashaka
Kurya.
kurya.
Umuceri.
Umuceri.
Isamaki.
Estamaki.
Na dodo.
Na dodo.
Ndashaka kurya umuceri.
Ndashaka kurya umuceri.
Isamaki.
Estamaki.
Na dodo.
Na dada.
Why are you laughing?
It's cute.
He's doing well. He's doing it well. I can't do it.
Umuceri.
Umuceri.
Isamaki.
Estamaki.
Na dodo.
Na dodo.
Ni intungamubiri.
Ni una mungari.
It's healthy.
Okay.
It's healthy means intungamubiri.
I'm fighting the good.
You get out of here. So when you did a school project, what was the name of the project?
Which one? Which school project?
The project you did.
The one about Rwanda.
The one about
Oh,
Rwanda.
yeah,
What was the name of the project?
It was like a backpacking blog project. That's the name of it.
Okay, I was trying to print Kinyarwanda, but I don't think I can.
Backpacking blog.
I don't think I can put that in Kinyarwanda. But so if we go to Rwanda, the first things you're gonna know is amafaranga.
I'm a faranga.
Yeah, what that means?
Oh yeah, money.
Yeah, you're gonna need want to know money.
Yeah, money.
And ndashaka kurya.
Ndashaka kurya.
What does it mean?
Food.
Ndashaka kurya.
Food.
I want to eat.
Oh.
Okay. And what else? What is the most important to know when you traveling? What else would you want to know?
Where the hotels are.
Hoteli ziri hehe? No. Hotel. Amacumbi ari hehe? Amacumbi
Amacumbi.
ari hehe?
Eri hehe.
Yes, amacumbi ari hehe?
Amacumbi eri hehe.
Amacumbi ari hehe?
Amacumbi eri hehe.
What is the hotel? Ari hehe.
Ari hehe.
Hey, this hotel.
Yeah, no. The where? Hotel is Amacumbi.
I'm a chumbi.
Yes, you did good. Amacumbi. Amacumbi
Amacumbi.
means hotel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ndakunda u Rwanda. Ndakunda u Rwanda.
Ndakunda u Rwanda.
I love Rwanda.
Ndakunda u Rwanda.
Say, where are the ladies at?
Abakobwa bari hehe?
Abakobwa eri hehe.
Abakobwa bari hehe?
Abakobwa eri hehe. What does that mean?
Where's the ladies? Okay. So let's just say we go into my parents' house to say hello, grandma and grandpa. Like muraho. You're gonna say muraho.
Muraho.
Yes, means hello. It's another word for hello. Muraho.
Muraho.
Sogokuru.
Sokokuro.
Nanyagokuru.
Nanyagokuru.
Yay! Good job. Muraho.
Muraho.
Sogokuru.
Sakakuru.
Nanyagokuru.
Nanyagokuru.
Yay! Okay, say it together. Again, Murami. Muraho sogokuru na nyogokuru. Muraho sogokuru na nyogokuru.
Muraho Sokokuru Nanyakuru.
You tried. Okay. I'm trying to think about something else.
I need a ride.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
I need a ride. Ndashaka lifti.
Ndashaka lifti.
Ndashaka lifti.
Ndashaka lifti.
Ndashaka lifti. I need a ride.
Ndashaka lifti. Alright.
So you might have to ride a motorcycle in Rwanda. Because a motorcycle is one of our ride, like transportation. So ndashaka moto.
Ndashaka moto.
Umumotari ari hehe.
Umumotari ari hehe.
Umumotari ari hehe.
Umumotari ari hehe.
Yeah, that means like, what is the motorcycle drive? Okay. So what would you like to go? Where would you like to go visit in Rwanda?
Where would I like to go?
Yes.
Let's see the gorillas.
Gorillas and go see like the mountains and stuff. And
Okay.
the pretty stuff.
Ndashaka kujya kureba.
Say that again.
Ndashaka kujya kureba.
Ndashaka kureba.
Ndashaka kujya kureba.
Ndashaka kureba.
I want to go see Ingagi.
Ingagi.
Ingagi
Ingagi.
means gorilla.
Ingagi?
Yes.
Ingagi.
Ingagi
Ingagi.
and Ingagi ni misozi.
Ingagi ni misozi.
Ingagi ni misozi.
Ingagi ni misozi.
What's Nimisozi?
Mountain. Hamwe n'ibirunga.
What?
Hamwe n'ibirunga.
How many do we go?
And the volcanoes.
And the volcano. Oh yeah, volcanoes.
Volcanoes means ibirunga.
What?
Ibirunga.
Ibirunga.
Ndashaka kujya kureba.
Ndashaka kureba.
Say slowly. Ndashaka kujya kureba.
Ndashaka kureba.
Say slowly. Ndashaka
Ndashaka
kujya kureba.
kureba.
Good. Imisozi
Imisozi
n'ingagi
n'ingagi
n'ibirunga.
n'ibirunga.
I want to go see mountains, gorilla and volcano.
Okay.
So ndashaka kujya kureba.
Ndashaka kureba.
Ndashaka kujya kureba. Ndashaka kujya kureba ingagi imisozi n'ibirunga. I want to go see gorilla, mountain and volcano. Okay, good. Well, turarangije. Yes! It means well, we're done.
Oh, okay.
Hari ikintu ushaka kumenya? Is there anything else
Oh,
you want to know? Say, is it an hari ikindi ushaka kumenya?
say it again.
Hari ikindi ushaka kumenya?
Harakiki ashaka kurimanda.
Hari ikindi
Harikindi
ushaka
ushaka
kumenya?
kumenya.
Good. Yeah, is there anything else you want to know?
Mazute.
Mazute.
And what does that mean? Mesute, how are you? Yeah. Bakunda.
Turabakunda.
Ndagukunda cyane.
Ndagukunda cyane.
Say ndagukunda cyane. No, turabakunda. That means we love you.
Trabakunda.
Bye, we love you. Sawa turabakunda.
Sour Trabakunda.
But ndagukunda cyane.
Ndabakunda cyane.
Ndagukunda cyane.
Babakunda cyane.
Ndagukunda.
Ndabakunda.
Ndagukunda
Ndagukunda
cyane.
cyane.
Ngewe.
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 Ndagukunda
Ndagukunda
cyane.
cyane.
Okay. Ngewe ndagukunda cyane.
Ndage Kinyarwanda.
Miss, I love you so much. I love you so much. Ndagukunda cyane.
Ndagukunda cyane.
Ndagukunda cyane, babe.
I
Love me?
figured it out. Of course I love you.
Do you love me?
Yes.
Urankunda.
No, we're not doing that.
Well, it means urankunda. Do you love me?
Yes.
Then say
I love you in English.
Say okay. Let's see if you remember what we learned. I'm a faranga.
Amafaranga.
What is it?
Money.
Okay. And what else? Ibirunga.
Ibi what?
Ibirunga.
Eat.
No, volcano.
Oh, food. Volcano.
Okay. Ndashaka kurya.
Ndashaka. That's eat.
Ndashaka kurya.
I want to eat.
Yes. Good job. You're a good student. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting me. We almost 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, comment, and share. Bye bye. Turabakunda. Say turabakunda.
Tubagakunda.
Turabakunda.
Turabakunda.
Tuba the Abaconda.
Turabakunda. Comment below how did he do and who did better. And bye guys. We love you.